Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install NVIDIA on laptop. We will start by checking the model of our graphics card if we do not know it. To do this, open the device manager by right-clicking on the start icon. Here, open the Display Adapters drop-down and you will be able to see the model name of your NVIDIA graphics card. With this, we go to the official NVIDIA website where it has the drivers section and whose link you have in the description. Afterwards, we are going to place the data of our model in each section. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In the download type section, you will have to choose between Game Ready if you prefer compatibility associated with games, or the Studio type if you prefer greater compatibility in workflows such as editing. Then click on Search and wait for the drivers for our graphics card to be found. Once they are found, we can click on Download. After downloading, we can open the drivers file and install them following the steps that appear. Once the process is finished, we will have the drivers for our NVIDIA graphics card installed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.